Hey everybody, it's your boys from the other side of the Beehive. I'm Angel.
I'm Justin.
So letting you guys know it's our anniversary, so we decided to play a game. And this game is basically to find out how much we know about each other. If we even pay attention to each other.
We don't pay attention.
We don't pay attention to each other. I don't pay attention to my wife, so we'll see how this goes.
1 year.
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Let's play a little game.
Alright, let's do it. Each of us have one of these paddles. We're gonna ask each other a question.
That's not fun to beat. I know.
We're gonna ask each other's questions, see how much we know about each other, and then we'll reveal the answer just like that. See how much.
It's like the newlywed game, isn't it?
Exactly. Stinks like ass, huh?
They don't get you high anymore.
Get this one.
Ooh, that one you can fill in your butthole.
Angel, what's my middle name? Hint? My dad's name.
And we talked about this the other day when we had Brian on here. He even said it. You don't listen to shit.
I didn't even know you have a middle name.
You didn't even know I had a dad, probably.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. The only reason why I said Daniel is because I know your mom is Dana. And so I said...
So my father's name is automatically the same name.
Justin, what club did I meet my wife in? 1, 2, 3.
Fuck. I said that.
Angel, what are my daughter's names?
Ah.
1, 2, 3.
That's wrong. It's Addison.
Oh, why are you gonna give me shit for the Y?
It's ADDI.
Is India short for something?
Indy.
That's not short for anything?
No. My daughter's name is Indianapolis.
Justin, what did my mom throw at me when I pissed her off?
When I was a kid, I pissed her off. We were back home. And she threw this at me and it hit me right in the back.
1, 2, 3.
So you think I pissed my mom off? She's like, damn it, Angel!
Sounded right.
Angel, where did I get married? City? Location?
I think I know this one.
Fuck you, what? You know the exact location though?
3, 2, 1.
Ah, hell yeah!
Justin, how many years did I work at Company 1?
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, yeah, dude! Fuck yeah! This is stronger than my fucking marriage.
Angel, what city did I grow up in?
I don't know how to spell it.
Just sound it out. It's really easy.
1, 2, 3.
Attaboy.
Oh, dude! I didn't know how to spell north.
You don't know how to say it either.
Justin, during my dry year, in what holiday did I have the most temptation to drink?
I was confused by dry year. If we were talking about dry humping or dry dogging.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, fuck.
See?
Cinco de Mayo.
Angel, what's my dream car? 3, 2, 1.
$300,000 Porsche. I don't know how much it is.
That's Porsche.
Wait, how is it?
Porsche.
Well, I'm brown.
Okay, Justin, same question. What is my dream car?
Oh, I don't know. I can already tell you. I
What?
don't know how to spell that. I know what it is, but I don't know how to spell that.
Why do I always write like on an angle when we're writing here? You know how those bitches that take photos like this are like, they're always getting crooked?
It's the
Yeah. And so you're trying to see it, you're like, and your shit keeps turning.
It's cockeyed.
1, 2, 3.
Lambert.
Lambert, what the
Adam
fuck?
Lambert.
Lamborghini, though.
I guess it's right.
Nothing says fucking sister like Colorado Kool-Aid.
That's a clip, though. Go ahead.
No.
It's-
Angel, what do I prefer? Paper towels or air dryer?
Oh, that's easy, bro.
1, 2, 3.
Ah! Are those jazz hands?
This thing looks like it's been through Vietnam already. This cheap fucking board you've got.
By the way, this is first use, I must point out.
All right, Justin. Why did I stop my wife from giving me a lap dance? 3, 2, 1.
Oh! I didn't know how to spell diarrhea, so I got this shit.
Got shit.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Angel,
That's you.
what object nearly got me molested?
No me toques means don't touch me in Spanish, which if we ever go to Mexico, you're probably gonna need.
Ah, no me toques.
Oh!
Ah, tome arigato. No me toques. La verga. Pinche la chicana.
La salsa.
La salsa.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Yay for molestation!
Yay for 80s baseball cards. Do you think about the money I could have made off of them
yeah,
baseball
yeah.
cards, getting my dick sucked, and making money on baseball?
Hey, you didn't have to tell anyone either. Only you and him now.
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Next question?
Yes.
Justin,
Yes.
what's my favorite Ninja Turtle?
Ah.
Don't motherfucker.
I know.
Yeah.
And what color is he?
He's green, you dumb shit.
Ah, he got me.
Stupid shit is that?
3, 2, 1.
But first of all, I don't think I know how to spell this.
Either one of us, right?
Okay,
Right,
1,
ready?
2, 3.
Michelangelo from Jersey. Hey.
Where's the collar, you dumbass?
Oh, well, fuck, come on. I thought, I bet he asked me who his favorite Ninja Turtle is. I was gonna say Donatello. Because that was the gay one, right?
Was that a gay one?
Well, he had the bow staff.
I was actually gonna ask you what were their names and colors.
I can tell you every one of them. Leonardo, blue.
Okay,
Raphael, red.
okay.
Donatello, purple. Michelangelo, orange. Boom!
Angel, boxers or briefs?
Oh. Again, I don't know if I want to spell this right, but here we go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Boxer briefs, dog.
So I'm right.
No, you're only half right.
What does that mean?
I wear boxer briefs, not boxers or
But the
briefs.
question was boxers or briefs.
Yeah, boxer briefs.
What is this kind of white shit? White people bullshit. You know what was gonna be one of my questions? What was I wearing the first night I spent with her? The last time I wore that. Underwear wise.
I wouldn't.
Underwear
I
wise.
wouldn't have known that. I wouldn't
Tidy
have known
whities.
that. Tidy
The
whities.
last fucking time I wore.
I would have
tidy
guessed and said tidy whities.
whities. Banana hammock.
Justin, how many foreman bosses did I work under at Company 1?
You know them all. Wait. Don't think about the end ones. Think about the very, very first ones.
I know.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm way off. 5?
Yeah. Tommy, Cody, Robert, Dave, Zach.
Well, I don't know this guy.
But I told you, think about the beginning.
Oh, you're right.
You know what chaqueta is too?
Yeah, jerk off, right?
But you know what that is?
No,
Also,
what?
a jacket.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Put my jacket on and make my dick come.
jacket.
Angel. Who did I get my first porno mag from?
Numero uno.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, what? Hell yeah.
God bless you, Curtis Simmons.
Isn't it Daniel?
No.
Justin, what was I asked to do during sex that made it super awkward? Three, 2, 1.
Oh, fuck, man. I was way off.
Wait, she checked my oil?
No, you check her oil.
Oh, but that's not gonna stop me. Notice how it's called speak Spanish.
Angel, what's my alcoholic drink of choice?
Brand or just drink?
If you can give me brand, you +1. But just drink.
3, 2, 1.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah,
Isn't it Buffalo Ranch or Eagle Ranch or something?
that's dipping sauce for carrots, asshole. Eagle Ranch.
No, the one that we had last time. What was it?
Yeah, no. Eagle Rare.
Eagle Ranch. It is whiskey
Buffalo
though.
Ranch? You got it right. You're good.
Justin, where in Utah did I drive to try and see my favorite drummer?
Ah.
Nice.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, last one.
How do you say that? In Latin.
You mean Spanish?
Whatever.
La última.
No, okay. Yeah, that one.
Thanks.
What song do I want to hear while I fight in a bar?
Oh, I was gonna ask you the same thing.
Is yours Diggs by Mudvayne?
Yep.
I listened to the show. By the way, I just want to point out the fact that I did not know the title of this song, so I had to Google it before we started this. But
What?
now I got
cheating?
it.
If you don't know it, how the hell
No,
am I
I
supposed
don't
to
know because I know how it goes. I want to fight to
In
it.
your mind.
I want to fight to it.
Yeah.
So I know it.
Ba-la-la-la-bamba. Everybody knows that shit.
You fucker, I saw you go.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, hold on.
I mean, I was close. I was close. It was along the Latin lines. Dale tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena. Macarena.
You punch a motherfucker. It turns out we don't know shit about each other, and we don't know who won.
It doesn't really matter.
It doesn't really fucking matter as long as you guys keep following the pages and follow the podcast. Please review and like. And other than that, this is it. Thank you so much for the support throughout this year. And you good?
I'm good.
All right, sexies. We'll see you on the other side of the Beehive.